Bamba-ke sengiyavala ngaphambi kokubuqale usuku lwakho incwadi kaJobe 42 verse 16 and 17. Emva kwalokho uJobe wayesekhona iminyaka eyi140 wabona amadodana akhe kwaze kwaba isizukulwane esisesine. Wafa-ke uJobe esemdala esenelisiwe izinsuku. Bambela-ke lo myalezo ekseni as you are starting your day. Emva kwalokho uJobe wabakhona iminyaka eyi140. Emva kwalokho, emveni kokuhlukumezeka waphinde waphila futhi. Emveni kokuluza imfuyo yakhe waphinde waphila futhi. Ngemumva kokuthi unkosikazi wakhe ekhulume naye wathi thuka lo nkulunkulu wakhe ufe, waphinda waphila futhi. Emva kwalokho, ngemumva kokumila amathumbu umzimba wonke waphinde waphila futhi. Ngemumva kokuba namathumba all over his body waluza nabantwana bakhe, kodwa emveni kwalokho kuthiwa waphinda futhi wabakhona eminye iminyaka eyi140 waphila. Emveni kwalokho, namhlanje ke ekseni ngivumele ngikhulume nawe ngithi ngemumva kwaleyo pain uzophila, ngemumva kwaleyo discouragement uzophila, ngemumva kokuluza konke obunakho you will live again. Ngoba uJob was able to live for so many years after facing persecution, after facing rejection, after losing his wealth, after losing abantwana bakhe, kodwa lithi iBhayibheli ngemumva kwalokho waphinda waphila futhi. Ngiyazi ukuthi ushonele umuntu omthandayo, ushonele mhlawumbe unkosikazi wakho, ushonele abantwana bakho, kodwa emveni kwalokho you will live again. Omunye sikhuluma nje akanayo nane income, kodwa emveni kwalokho you will live again. Omunye kade efuna umsebenzi akawutholi kunzima, impilo ayihlangani, kodwa ngemumva kwalokho you will live again. UJobe waphila ngemumva kwezimpi abhekana nazo, nawe you will live again. Ngemumva kwezinyembezo osuyikhalile, ngemumva kosizo obhekene nalo you will live again. Emva kwalokho uzophila. Emumva kwama rejection nama disappointment uzophila. Ngemumva kokulahlwa abantu bebethe bazoma nawe kuze kube segcini bakushiya uzophila. Ngemumva kokushiwa umndeni bonke abantu baphendukela wena, awazi ukuthi uzophila kanjani, but I've come to assure you this morning, after this you will live again. After that pain you will live again. After izinto bezingahlangana empilweni yakho you will live again. Ngiyacela ulibambe lelizwi ukuthi emva kwalokho obhekene nakho uzophila futhi. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.